You're wondering how you can edit a text design on Adobe Illustrator? I got the answers. Stick around.
I put the pressure on him, stepping on him like he's stuck in the sand. These niggas not your homie, been around cause he really a fan. Don't plot.
What's going on, everybody? This is Melvin with New Era Gears, and in this video I will go step by step on how to edit a text design in Adobe Illustrator. Alright guys, I got the file up. This is an AI file. It'll look something like this. Okay, you guys reach out to your designer either on Fiverr, Design Crowd, or wherever you guys get your designs done. And let's say you let your designer know, hey, I want my design delivered in an AI file, in a PNG file with transparent background. And it'll look something like this when it's delivered. So you guys are probably wondering, hey, but it doesn't look the same. Obviously, I did not download the fonts. For the sake of this video, this is a step-by-step on how to edit text. So, we're going to get straight into it. Okay, you're going to want to click on this right design here, okay, where it's until it's highlighted. You right-click, and you hit Ungroup. Okay, after you hit Ungroup, guys, literally, now you can edit the text. Until you see the cursor, then you just start backspacing, deleting the. This is double layered, so you'll have to do that. Go for this design here. And let's say I want to put, era. Okay, guys, let's say that's what I want to go with, and now I want to align it. Now, what do I do next? Well, you hit the selection tool up to the left, click on that, and that way you can just stretch it out how long you want it. Let's say you want it to be centered there. Okay, let's say I'm happy with that, guys. Now I go to the bottom, and then I delete this. And I put gears here. Just for the sake of this video, guys, I'm gonna go back up, hit the selection tool. I'm going to center it up a little bit. And drag it out. Say more than, just say I want it to be one more up. That way I can just move this up. Guys, you can do this with all your designs, change up the text, make different variant t-shirts, save some money. So let's say I'm happy with this. Okay? Now what do I do next? Well, you see this design to the left, okay? Basically, you're gonna move the right design into that template. So, obviously this one's locked. So what you do now is click on it, you go to Object, and you hit Unlock All, okay? Now it's highlighted. The left design is highlighted. All you have to do is hit Backspace. So, you hit Backspace, now it's a white background, okay? Now, this design you just edited over here to your right, you want to select it all. Okay, you right click and you group it together. Okay, that way everything's grouped together. So you hit group. Now you can move this design over to this background. Okay, boom. Okay, now that you have it onto that background, guys, now what you can do is you can save it. Okay? You go to File, you go to Save As. So since already that AI file was a number 10, I'm going to put 11. Okay? So this is what you're going to do, guys. You guys are going to save it. You keep it just like that. All the settings okay. You hit OK. Boom. Alright guys, now that you have saved your file as an AI file with your updated text, now what you can do is you can export it, with a PNG background, a transparent background, so that way you can upload it on whichever platform you guys use, either Printful, Printify, whichever one you guys use. So what you guys want to do next is go to File, and you want to go to Export. Then go over to Export As, and you want it to be a PNG, so let's say my updated text was New Era Gears. Okay, So now, just click export. Guys, you always want your resolution to be 300 ppi. Not screen 72 ppi, nor medium 150 ppi. You want it to be high 300 ppi. Okay guys, high resolution at all times. And then background color, always transparent, okay? And then what you want to do next is hit OK. So now guys, what you have is a transparent design, you know, with your new text. So you go to File. Okay guys, you just go back to Export. Export as you can see here up top, you have your new design text ready to go to be uploaded either on Printful, Printify, or whichever platform you guys use with new text. That way you guys can save some money, you know. Why spend more money which you can literally just edit the text and make more t-shirts, you know. Thanks for watching guys. If you found this content helpful, smash that like button and consider subscribing. That way you won't miss any future videos on how-tos and step-by-step tutorials.
Trying to get money till I cash out. Like you lick your arm if you're looking for a handout. I've been on the move for a long time. Fighting with the man on my shoulder, I was dealing with self-doubt. All my life I've been the fucking underdog. Used to wonder how these niggas got it all. I was getting one play a day, now I got a couple thousand on my catalog.
I put the pressure on him, stepping on him like he's stuck in the sand. These niggas not your homie, been around cause he really a fan. Don't block, get you hit with your mans. How come stiff?